नमो युं विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनीति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे Hare Krishna. So very happy to be here, and I thank the Yatra team to allowing me to speak something in front of all the assembled Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. Actually, what I prepared, Radharan Prabhu told everything. He in his offering. So now I am thinking what to speak. However, Chanakya Pandit says a very nice shloka. He says, "Chalat chittam, chalat bittam, chalat jivana jovanam, chalat chalat idam sarvam, kirtir jasa sa jivati." In this material world, nothing will stay. Everything is flickering. Chitta means mind. Bitta means money. Chalat jivana jovanam. Even the body and the youth, everything will go away. However, the only thing that will stay back is kirti or yash, or the glorious service that we do or render in the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. So we see the same thing in the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada as we are all sitting here, that what Srila Prabhupada has done. Recently, I met one of the very learned personality, the Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, and he was telling that your founder Acharya is an amazing person. I was going through his literatures, and he said that unless and until one society is having literature, nothing can sustain them more better unless and until they have literatures. And he wrote the books so beautifully that your organization will be supported by these books. Also, we see how Srila Prabhupada has made, enormous beautiful temples, devotees, yatras, and so many other wonderful things. I specifically hear from devotees and from India and many other places also. Three things Prabhupada, especially, he did a miraculous upliftment. One is the deity dressing. Are you all agreeing with me? Deity dressing. Then second is Mahaprasad. Then Kirtans. So this is the beauty of Srila Prabhupada, which Srila Prabhupada has given. So now, Prabhupada has given us so many things, just like this whole thing, this pandal where we are sitting. Are you all happy with the yatra? Are you all happy with Srila Prabhupada and Prabhupada disciples who are blessing us? Are you all happy with Srila Radhanath Swami Maharaj's lectures? Are you all happy with Radha Samsundar? Krishna Balaram? Everything happened because Srila Prabhupada met Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in Untradaka Junction Road. And that is the offering that we are going to give from Calcutta to the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada wanted all these places to be connected to ISKCON, and you must bless Radharaman Prabhu and Radharaman Prabhu's team that they are working so hard to get these places under Srila Prabhupada's lotus feet, that whoever will be there, as Prabhupada said, 10,000 years ISKCON will be there. And these places will be there for 10,000 years for our future generations to come. So that's why this is the place 4 months before we got the full, access to the whole property. It's a very small property. This is the first temple of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur after he came back from Sri Mayapur. He purchased this place with the help of some great souls, and then he established Bhakti Vinod Asan here. And he paid, for the beginning days, he paid 50 rupees. At that time, 50 rupees was a very big amount, because it was a very posh area. He did 4 of his Vyas Pujas there in this building. This is the place all the devotees who are very close to Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur came here. And as history says, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also met Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in this very place. So now, as an offering to Srila Prabhupada, we got this place under ISKCON. It is a 150 years old building where His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj and many of his godbrothers recently visited. And they want this place to be, renovated as it was. So we want that whenever you visit Calcutta, you can visit all these places, Srila Prabhupada place, where Srila Prabhupada took birth, and also Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur's meeting place. This is the historical roof where Srila Prabhupada came with his friend Narendra Malik. He was not desiring to come, but then Narendra Malik said, you just come and see a sadhu. And then the historical instruction that Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Thakur gave to Srila Prabhupada is, you are all learned English-speaking people, why don't you go to the West and speak Sri Chaitanya's message? This is the troop top that we are again rebuilding in a more beautiful and a strong way that it can stay 10,000 years, that Radharaman Prabhu can tell more nicely. So we want all of your blessings, and how the blessings comes, you understand. Hare Krishna. So please visit our information center and understand the heritage of this place. And whenever you come to Calcutta, please come and visit these places and get blessed by Srila Prabhupada and Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And please pray for all those who are working for securing these tirthas and dhams, that our next generations to come, we can preserve this place as wanted by Srila Prabhupada and desired by Srila Prabhupada. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.